how are you all? So today we are going to learn some new step, but before that I want you all to go back to your last two videos, revise and come back in 5 minutes. Okay, so let's go ahead with our new steps. So last time we finished up on the right arm in and out. So we are going to change step. I'm going to put some peculiar step on that. Okay, so let's go. So keep your hands on your waist. Now when it says take your right arm in, we are going to take our right arm in and shake on the place 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Let's go. Take your right arm in and shake it. So when it says take your right arm out, you're going to take it out and shake it 4 times. Take your right arm in and you're going to shake it again 4 times. Okay. So when we are shaking our hands, we're going to bend our knees. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And take it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we're going to bend our knees. Let's do it one more time on the calves. Both your hands on your waist. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we end up in. Now we're going to do. It says to shake all around. So we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as the hands comes down, our knees also go down. Okay, with the step. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's do both the step together. So it says take your right arm in, take your right arm out, take your right arm in and shake it all about. Okay, let's try it on the music. Yes, come on, let's do it. Let's do one more time and we'll go ahead. Take your right arm in, take your right arm out, take your right arm in and shake it all around. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. Good job. Let's go ahead. Now it says do the hockey pokey. So this step also we are going to change it. So we are going to do is keep our both hands on our waist and we are going to jump on our left side first and then again on the right side. So let's go hockey pokey. One more time. Let's go hockey pokey and it says walk around. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. So now ahead is the same step. So we are going to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this step is same. So let's do it one more time from the hockey pokey. Let's go do the hockey pokey walk around. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do once on this. Okay, from the right arm till the, that's what all about. And we go ahead. Right arm in, take your right arm out, take your right arm in and shake it all around. You do the hockey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Good job. Let's go ahead. Now it says take your left arm in. So left arm in, we are going to shake 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again it says take it out. So out and 1, 2, 3, 4. Again it says take in. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now when we are doing this, you know we are going to bend our knees. Let's do with the leg movement. So go. Now both hands on your waist. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it says shake all about. So we are going to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So when your hands are coming from up to down, our legs will also go down and come up. Okay. As the hand movements are going to go down, the legs are also going to go down. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's go ahead. Now it says do the hockey pocky. So we are going to go in, out. Okay. One more time. In, out, walk around. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And that's what all about. So we are going to do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's do all the steps together from the right arm in and out until that's what all about. So we do it once on the count and we'll go for the music. Let's go. Ready? So take your left arm in. So 1, 2, 3, 4 out. 1, 2, 3, 4 in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in, out, walk around. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let's try it on the music. Everyone. So, okay, let's go ahead. Now it says take your head in, take your head out, take your head in. So when we are going to take our head in, we are going to keep both our hands near our head and we are going to shake it. And we are going to shake our head also. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we are going to do it for the same for our out and in. So let's go. So take your head in. Take your head out, take your head in. Now it says shake it all about. So we are going to keep our hands on our waist and going to shake our head. Okay. So it says shake, take your head in, take your head out, take your head in and shake it all around. Okay. So let's go. So shake in, shake out, shake in and shake it all around. When it says shake it all around, hands will come on our waist. Okay, for the first step we are going to use our hands of shaking around. Okay, so let's do it one more time on the count and then we will do it on the music. So let's go. So take your head in, take your head out, take your head in and shake it all around. Now it says do the hockey pocky. So we are going to take our legs in and out. So do the hockey pocky and walk around and that's what all about we are going to do same. Okay, so we are going to do it on the music. We are going to continue but not going to stop it on the do the hockey pocky step. Okay, we are not going to stop over there. We are going to continue till the last. Okay, let's try it on the music. That's what all about. Okay. One last time.